but they rumble no more, his words. Rumors of gold, ghosts of Magaisa, and meat that's never finished. They rumble no more, his words. Freedom. Those that flogged the city when the fields were castrated, wrestled and slaughtered that beast called influx control, declared everywhere over. The red ants. The court said the building was too old to carry our bodies, unfit for our breaths. Red ants confiscated mattresses, pots, broken stoves, threw them 10 floors down onto the streets. Children screaming the old, the sick, no time for goodbyes amidst the wrestling. The red ants are not ants. They are human beings reduced to machines that bulldoze those whose plight they share for a meal. Out of buildings too old to carry our bodies, lumping us with pots, broken people, broken stoves, the cold thickness of winter, and the robots. Red eyes, frowsy hair, dry lips, a black rubbish bag at hand, a small cardboard piece against this chest, bold black letters. I keep this corner spot free, pointing at the letters, and the back approaches a black sedan whose driver winds up the window and looks away. Night, Orlando East. When the rain drops, sputtering against sheets of zinc, eat away at the soil below the wood, foundation to the mkoko, dig a donga into the inside, sinking the mattress and the blankets, rousing the one negotiating sleep. A man needs a spade to fight a torrent. Village road. Charcoal blackened next to the M2 highway, barefoot on the grass, barefoot on broken glass. He pauses to urinate, speeds before moving on, utterly naked. Through the windows in a taxi to work, some look at his face, others at his manhood, others his dreadlocks drifting in the cool breeze. Night shower. Through the subsiding flame of a paraffin lamp, full blast music at the main house, a shebini, and a couple having sex at the corner outside your door. It makes sense to read zoning schemes, township ordinances, the Communist Manifesto, and stick money. Takes a rank. Jesus crisscrossed winding queues at the packed pre-tax rank among fatigued workers, animated students, and ghostly wanderers. Destined for Zola Mapita Shawel, he spoke of the splendor of heaven, the glory of the kingdom. Blessed are the poor in spirit, for theirs is the kingdom of heaven. Through the lips of beggars, singing in voices deeper than the souls of angels, as we waited for a taxi home.